Hey guys, it's Carrie. Love the wolverines running around.
Polar bear? The most common hunting method is called still hunting. The bear uses its excellent sense of smell to locate a seal breathing hole and crouches nearby in silence for a seal to appear. The bear may lie in wait for several hours. When the seal exhales, the bear smells its breath, reaches into the hole with a forepaw and drags it out onto the ice. The polar bear kills the seal by biting its head to crush its skull. The polar bear also hunts by stalking seals resting on the ice. Bald eagle. To hunt fish, the eagle swoops down over the water and snatches the fish out of the water with its talons. They eat by holding the fish in one claw and tearing the flesh with the other. They have powerful talons and have been recorded flying with a 6.8 kilogram mule deer. It is found near large bodies of open water with an abundant food supply and old growth trees for nesting. They build the largest tree nests ever recorded for any animal species, up to 4 meters deep and 2.5 meters wide. Babies are called eaglets and are born light grey, then turn brown. When they are 4 to 5 years old, they develop their normal white heads and tails. Jaguar. Male jaguars can weigh 120 kilograms, while female jaguars weigh much less. But their sizes can vary a lot between regions. Jaguars in Central America can be roughly half the size of jaguars in the Pantanal. They need that bulk behind them to take on big prey, including giant caiman. They have adapted to living in wet environments and can be found swimming in lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Flamingo. They are filter feeders and turn their heads upside down to eat. African elephant. While feeding, it uses its trunk to pluck leaves and its tusks to tear at the branches, which can cause enormous damage to foliage. Fermentation of the food takes place in the hindgut, thus enabling large food intakes. The large size and hindgut of the African elephant also allows for digestion of various plant parts, including fibrous stems, bark, and roots. Elephants are highly intelligent. They have a very large and highly convoluted neocortex, a trait they share with humans, apes, and some dolphin species. They are amongst the world's most intelligent species. Tiger. Results of genetic analysis indicate that about 2.88 million years ago, the tiger and the snow leopard lineages diverged from the other Panthera species, and that both may be more closely related to each other than to the lion, leopard, and jaguar. Their geographic origin is most likely northern Central Asia. The tiger and snow leopard lineage dispersed in Southeast Asia during the Miocene. Giraffe. Reproduction for giraffes usually involve a fight through necking or battles made with their necks. This determines the strongest male who gets the right to mate with a female. The males emit a strong body odor and smell the urine of the females to know their reproductive status. They show their availability with physical contacts between their front legs and the female's genital area. The courting rituals of giraffes involve the chin resting of the male on the back of the female. Copulation is over in a matter of seconds and may be repeated 2 or 3 times. Sometimes a female will canter away to avoid a courting male. A giraffe's penis is about 1 meter long. Green tree python. It is a bright green snake and reaches a total length of about 2 meters. They live generally in trees. The green tree python mainly hunts and eats small reptiles and mammals. The females, which like most snakes, are slightly larger and heavier than the males. Red fox. They are usually together in pairs or small groups consisting of families, such as a mated pair and their young, or a male with several females having kinship ties. The young of the mated pair remain with their parents to assist in caring for the new kits. Their predators are wolves, coyotes, golden jackals, and eagles. Wolverine. It is the largest land-dwelling species of the family Mustelodidae. It is a muscular carnivore and a solitary animal. They have a reputation for being ferocious and strong compared to its size. They are able to kill prey many times larger than themselves. Lion. Their claws are made of keratin, which is the same substance as our fingernails and toenails. They consist of lots of layers which eventually break off to reveal an even sharper claw underneath. Lions sharpen their claws by scratching trees to keep them extra pointy. They have 5 toes on the front paws and 4 on the back. Measurements taken from a lion's paw print can help us guess how old it is and also if it's a male or female. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to all of your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.